2014-46, State of Arkansas versus Michael Glavish.
A proposal from the prosecutor. I have only briefly gone over with my client. We would ask this, and I think the prosecutors agreed to pass it so we could bring him back another date and conclude this matter possibly.
Well, on the scheduling order, this is down for a reappearance to check on the status of the case.
Right.
We got discovery answered and plea offers made and all of that.
Yes.
Yeah, everything's been done, Judge. It's on a trial schedule, I believe.
His pretrial date on the trial schedule is July 24th, and the jury trial date is September 2nd. So that's where we are in the system.
Could we just have a reappear date before then, though, so we can see whether we can resolve it?
But we have him on
Oh,
the
July
next date,
24th.
which is July 24th.
July 24th is
And
fine.
that can either be pretrial date or that can be date of resolution.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
Thank you.
Your Honor, that's all I have. If I may be excused.
You may be excused. Mr. Glavish, you may be excused as well. Reappear on July 24th. 2014-144, State of Arkansas versus Susan Busher. This is for arraignment on charges of possession of a controlled substance, methamphetamine, Class C felony, hindering apprehension, Class C felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, Class D felony, and theft by receiving, Class A misdemeanor.
Pleas of not guilty, waive formal arraignment, Your Honor.
This case is on the Division 4 docket. Will be set for trial December 1st and 2nd. Pre-trial will be scheduled for October 23rd, and a reappearance will be ordered for September 25th. Any other matters to be taken up today?
No, there's not, Your Honor.
All right. Defendant may be excused. You'll be back in court on September 25th. 2014-146, State of Arkansas versus Michael Lindley. Mr. Lindley is for arraignment on charges of possession of a controlled substance, methamphetamine, Class C felony, hindering apprehension, Class C felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, Class D felony, theft of services, Class D felony, theft of property, Class D felony, and theft by receiving, Class A misdemeanor. On those charges, how does he plead?
Your Honor, did he submit an application for our office?
Oh, I didn't have it in the stack today. I don't think I did. Maybe yes, I did. I'm sorry. I thought it was Tindley. Okay. Mr. Lindley. All right. Yes, I'm making the appointment of Public Defender's Office to represent him.
Your Honor, to all the charges, the court announced the defendant, Mr. Lindley, would enter a plea of not guilty and waive formal reading of the charges and formal arraignment.
Mr. Lindley is also on the Division 4 docket, and I'll set it for trial December 1st and 2nd, pre-trial October 23rd, and order him to reappear on September 25th. Anything else to take up today?
Your Honor, bond is not an issue in Mr. Lindley's case at this time. There's a child support matter out of Judge Womack's court that if we made bond here, he'd simply be transferred back to Marion County, as I understand it.
All right, you may be excused. 2014-152, State of Arkansas versus Philip Wilcoxon. Court's making the appointment of the Public Defender's Office to represent Mr. Wilcoxon.
Enter a plea of not guilty to the charge, Your Honor.
Once again, the case is on the Division 4 docket. I'm setting it down for trial on December 1st and 2nd, and pre-trial on October 23rd, with a reappearance date to check status of the case on September 25th. Anything to take
No,
up on
Judge.
bond?
Judge, no, there's a hold on him from the state of Missouri.
All right. Mr. Wilcoxon may be excused. 2014-149, State of Arkansas versus Jesse Moore. Ms. Moore is for, no, Yeah, she is, for arraignment on charges of delivery of a controlled substance, methamphetamine, Class B felony, delivery of a controlled substance, Schedule 1 or 2, Class B felony, delivery of a controlled substance, methamphetamine, Class B felony, delivery of a controlled substance, methamphetamine, another B felony, delivery of a controlled substance, another delivery of Class B felony, delivery of controlled substance with the purpose to deliver methamphetamine, Class A felony, use or possession with the purpose to use drug paraphernalia, D felony, use or possession with the purpose to use drug paraphernalia with the purpose to manufacture methamphetamine, Class B felony, simultaneous possession of drugs and firearms, Class Y felony, and possession of a prescribed narcotic drug outside the container in which it was dispensed, an unclassified felony. On those charges, how does the defendant now plead?
Not guilty.
Plea of not guilty is noted. This case is on the Division 3 docket of Judge Putman, and I will set it down for reappearance in front of Judge Putman on June 26th. Any other matters to be brought before the court?
Your Honor, what does the court show as the
I
bond on
show
this
bond
morning?
of $15,000,
Your Honor, is that cash or pro or cash only that you're showing?
cash and professional bond.
No, there's nothing further on the judge.
All right. Defendant may be excused.